guys! Do you remember my reduced Peri and Pearl? If you don't, you can follow the link in the right corner and refresh your memory. Today is the time for the tail. First of all, I make a white base using spray acrylic paint. Then I use airbrush to apply new colors to the tail. But it's not enough to me, and I need more shine. So I will need shimmer, nacre, and holographic film. Cut small piece of film, apply PVA glue, and make random small cuts of film. Use a needle to spread film's cuts. I think holographic effect is awesome. Small blue nacre on the purple looks gorgeous. Also, I decided to add some pearls. Is it too much? Now you can see the difference. Next time I will show you face process. If you don't want to miss it, you can subscribe on my channel and don't forget to activate the bell. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next time. Bye!